Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Alright, so it's November 21st, I think. And it's actually a pretty warm day. It's like 52 degrees out today. It started out kind of chilly in the 20s, but going down to the river tonight, do some fishing. Gonna try and catch some smallmouth or trout. You know, gonna throw some spinner baits, jerk baits, spinners, just some different things, trying to catch some, maybe some bottom baits. We're gonna see if we can't get on some fish real quick. Don't have a lot of time left because it's like 4 o'clock and it gets dark at like 5:30. So we're gonna see what we can catch down here, and stay tuned, it might be a good one. There's one. Oh, it's a trout. It's a big trout. Oh, no, it got off.
Where'd he go?
I just found a nice little rooster tail, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's a nice little one. Heck yeah. Plop her in there. Right now, I have a Mepps Aguila squirrel tail spinner tied on. I'm hoping if I cast it the whole way over there. Well, that didn't really go too far, so should probably slow it way down. This water is actually pretty freaking clear. I can see my spinner from like a mile away. Nothing. See if I can't catch one right in there. So I bet you there's one right in here. There's gotta be one somewhere in there. There's one. Decent one right there. What is it? It's fighting pretty hard. Oh, it's a sucker. Fish number one. Oh, holy, he's actually pretty big. Whoa, look at him. He's pretty. Alrighty, there's the first fish. It's a pretty nice one right there. Not too bad at all. Fish number one. Man, I was not expecting to catch a sucker. I was expecting to catch a trout. I thought it was a trout at first. And then I thought it was a smallmouth because it started fighting actually like decently hard. So I was like, is this a smallmouth? But nope, just a sucker. Hey, we'll take it though. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a trout. It's a trout. Holy crap, that's a big freaking trout. Come on, come on. Land it, Saxton, land it, land it. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, 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 oh my gosh, this thing's huge. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Let's freaking go! Okay, look at that. Oh, look at that trout. Holy crap, he's big. He's probably, I'd say, 18 inches, 17 inches or so. He's so yellow too. I mean, just look at him. Look at that, just absolutely beautiful fish. These trout are just so plentiful in this river. There's a bunch of trout streams that run into the river. So these trout are just in here all the time. And once the water just gets cold, they just turn on. And that one that I caught up there was at least this big, if not bigger. He got off though, but you know, still. All right, let's try and get a release. There he goes. That was absolutely awesome. Like, I can't believe that. Like, that just happened right there. We're gonna try and catch a few more, so hopefully we get something. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I ended up not being able to catch any more trout, and I know this video is being uploaded way later than what I actually filmed it at, but I actually got it edited out and up for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have a few more that I have to edit, so hopefully they'll be out here within the next month or so. It's kind of slowing down. I'm hoping to get out and fish some, possibly take my boat out, hopefully take it out sometime within the next month or so. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment. Once we get to 100 subs, I will do another giveaway, and I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but just stay tuned, guys. New Year's coming up. Gonna try to explore a bunch of new bodies of water here. 2019. Gonna try and really buckle down and try and just grind out a bunch of videos, film a bunch of videos. My goal is to do one video every week, at least one every week. So there could be more, like 2 or 3 a week if I'm motivated enough. Hopefully I am, but make sure you guys stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoyed. Peace!